And now, mateys, a scurvy crew you are indeed, I can tell you, and your plush seats out there. We need some hard work here to keep us trim and slim like me. So we're going whaling in the North Atlantic. No harpoons, please, here. You know, and we're going to hunt for them whale fish for 5-6 months out of the year when the whale, and their breeding grounds up there in the North Pacific. And it's cold and it's hard work. And when our hold is full of whale fish there, we're going to head south to our favorite port of rest and recreation, Old Maui. Oh yes, you know where that is? It's in the Sandwich Islands. Yes, that was the name Captain Cook first called the Hawaiian Islands, the Sandwich Islands. And we're gonna have a grand time there. And I want you all nautical folk out there to get ready to help me yell nautical things when it comes time during the song.
Once more we'll sail with a northern gale all abound the northern main. And now the shores of the tropic isles we seem to see again. 5 sluggish moons have waxed and waned since from the shore sailed we. And now we're bound from the Arctic around, rolling down to Old Maui. Rolling down to Old Maui, me boys, down to Old Maui. We're homeward bound from the Arctic around, rolling down to Old Maui.
Hoist that mainsail, you galley rats, we're homeward bound. Run out the jib. More canvas there.
Through many a blow of frost and snow and bitter squalls of hail, our spars were bent and our canvas rent as we braved the northern gale. The horrid isles of icy tiles that dot the Arctic Sea are many, many leagues astern on the way to Old Maui. Rolling down to Old Maui, me boys, down to Old Maui. We're homeward bound from the Arctic around, rolling down to Old Maui. Through many a blow of frost and snow, our good ship tore the way. And in the midst of the moonbeams mist, we slept in Slinghorn's Bay. And many's the day we whiled away on the cold Kamchatka Sea. But we'll think on that as we laugh and chat with the girls of Old Maui. Rolling down to Old Maui, me boys, down to Old Maui. We'll think on that as we laugh and chat with the girls of Old Maui.
Hey, get below there, Long John. Hand me the glass there, Skipper. On the homeward lake now.
An ample share of toil and care we whalemen undergo. And what care we at the journey's end how the bitter winds did blow? We are homeward bound with a joyful sound, and yet it may not be. But we'll think on that as we laugh and chat with the girls of Old Maui. Rolling down to Old Maui, me boys, down to Old Maui. We'll think on that as we laugh and chat with the girls of Old Maui. Rolling down to Old Maui, me boys, down to Old Maui. We're homeward bound with a joyful sound, rolling down to Old Maui.
Hoist up the top sheet and spanker.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of auld lang syne? For auld lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for auld lang syne.